We're here to talk about HPV. What is HPV?
So HPV is the human papillomavirus, and it's actually a really nasty virus because many types of it can cause cancer in both women and men. And of course we know the main cancer it contributes to is cervical cancer.
Is this a common cancer and a common virus?
It is a very common virus, and most people will have one or more types of HPV during their lifetime. Fortunately, in most people, their immune system clears it up and they don't have any problems for it. But there's probably about 10 to 15% of people, we don't know who they're going to be, who don't clear the virus. It's a very sneaky virus. Once it gets into the cells, it can be really hard to get rid of. And that's why preventative strategy is really important to try and stop us from getting these cancer-causing viruses.
What are the preventative strategies?
So we're really lucky now that we have a very well tested and proven vaccine, and they've been available for 10 years now. We've given over 9 million doses in Australia, and over 200 million doses have been given worldwide. We've been looking really closely at these vaccines as they've been given to populations to make sure there are no serious side effects. And the good news is we just haven't seen them.
Is it important for boys to be vaccinated as well as girls? I thought this was a cervical cancer vaccine.
That's a really good question to ask, actually. So when this vaccine was developed about 20 years ago, the aim really was to prevent cervical cancer. So we know that basically all cervical cancers are due to HPV infection. Since then, we've actually discovered that HPV causes a range of genital cancers and some cancers in the head and neck region, which are increasing in occurrence in Australia and in other countries around the world. So the advantages of this vaccine are not just against one cancer now, and so we've extended in Australia the program to boys as well. The other thing to remember, of course, is HPV is spread between people. So if we can control the infection in both sexes, we're going to have better control in the whole population, and it's going to provide some herd protection so that everybody has less chance of developing these HPV-related cancers.